Alright, when you load up the IR software, give it a few seconds and it should bring up a new window which asks you which accessory you're going to be using, and it's the Smart Orbit. So press OK. And what we want to do is press on this Collect SMP, Collect Sample icon and give your spectrum some reasonably descriptive title. Press OK. And it's asking you for a background spectrum. This is essentially a blank. And so we need to take a background, so press OK. And again, press OK. And so now it's going to take a background spectrum, which essentially is just the air around the sample area. So you can see that there are some things in here that are definitely absorbing the IR radiation. So now it's asking us for our sample, and I'm going to add a little bit of isopropanol to the sample area, and then press OK. And so now what will happen is the software will take the IR spectrum of your sample and the atmosphere, but it's going to subtract that background spectrum off of that, and what you're ending up with is just a spectrum of isopropanol. We want to add this to window 1, yes, and we can label the peaks by clicking on this Find Peaks icon and then clicking to move the black horizontal line up or down, and everything below that black horizontal line will be labeled. Once you have it the way you want it, you can just press on this blue print button and that will print it off for you. Alternatively, if you want to do some more editing of this, you can click on the Replace button, and then down here there's an annotation tool. If you click on that, you can come in and click on a peak that's not labeled and you can give it a label. Click and hit enter. You can also delete a peak. Say we don't want this peak labeled. You can click on it, delete, enter, and it's gone. Click on it, delete, enter, gone. Once you have it set, click on the print button and everything should print off fine.